Alright, welcome to this video where I have another package that I ordered online, and I'm gonna unbox it here. So, let me begin to unbox it. It is a simplex device. The number, it's a 2901983 on a strobe plate. The strobe plate, I currently don't remember the number, but I'm sure I could find out. I could look at the listing. Or somebody's gonna tell me. Alright. Strobe plate. Doesn't say. 9838. So let me wire these together real quick, and I'll be right back. Alright, so I have wired up the alarm and I tested it. I would believe this may be the new loudest device in my collection. And so I'm gonna put it up on the bracket, which I was gonna make a video about that. But, well, this can be the video about that. Alright, so I got my 9838 all wired up. Took me a while because of the strobe issue, because it's kind of hard to wire the strobe, and mount it up there, it took me multiple tries to get it up there, but now it's wired up, and I'm actually going to put on my hearing protection for this one. This thing is really loud. Alright, so there was that test. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.